after one. Dot, it's number 2. R, let's sing together. Here we go. 2 bright boots to splash and play. 2 fluffy clouds that float all day. 2 little birds up in a tree, singing songs for you and me.
2 socks on my little feet. 2 hands to clap to every beat. 2 eyes open when I wake. 2 big yawns before a break.
1, 2, 2, me and you. Twice the giggles, twice the woo. Show 2 fingers, jump up high. Let's count 2 things as they go by.
2 big hugs and 2 high fives.
2 fun friends with happy vibes. Number 2, we're loving you.
So much we can learn from 2.
Let's count the monkeys. 1, 2. 2 silly monkeys and the number 2.
2 red apples in a row. 2 jelly beans that steal the show. 2 spoons for a picnic treat. 2 ice cubes to keep it sweet. 2 dolls dancing side by side.
2 toy cars begin their ride. 2 balloons go floating high. 2 paper planes that zip the sky.
How many hands do you clap with? 1, 2,
Like this.
How many shoes are on your feet?
1, 2, now I'm complete.
How many Jiji? How many Lili?
2 sisters singing happily.
2 best friends to laugh and play. 2 big dreams to chase today. 2 kind hearts that always share. 2 brave kids who love and care. Through to me and you. Twice the joy in all we do. Clap 2 times, give 2 cheers. Let's count to all through the year.
2 big hugs and 2 high fives.
2 fun friends with happy vibes. Number 2, we're loving you. Let's keep counting, yes we do.
That was awesome. Are you ready for number 3 next time?
Bye-bye, number 2. You're double the fun.
Look, 2 magical unicorns and the number 2. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. Look, 1 fish, 2 fish. We see 2 fish swimming together. Quack, quack. 1 duck, 2 duck. 2 ducks waddling near the pond. Can you count the boats? 1, 2. 2 boats are floating on the water. These 2 teddy bears are sitting side by side. 1, 2. So cuddly and cute. Thank you, kids, for watching. Subscribe to our channel, Jiji and Lili. Have fun!